Are you having trouble making your Spotify playlist public? Well, if so, I'm here to help you out. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Spotify playlist public. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open Spotify. Now, at the very bottom, you'll see your library at the third option. So tap on that. And then just press on the playlist that you want to make public. So I'm just going to tap on this. Now next to the green play icon to the left side, you'll see 3 dots right here. So tap on the 3 dots. If you scroll down at the very bottom, it says make public. So just tap on that and you can see that it says playlist is now public. So that's it. That's how you make Spotify playlist public. If your problem was solved and you're satisfied, do leave a like, comment, and subscribe.